This deliciously flaky chili glazed salmon is guaranteed to bring the heat to your kitchen. So what are you waiting for? Grab your loved ones and an apron and let's cook, create and connect. Hello memory makers and welcome back to our kitchen, and if you're new here, welcome to Mills Make Memories, where I share with you the recipes from my kitchen to help you make memories that matter in yours. On today's menu is chili glazed salmon. Now not only does it taste delicious, but it only uses 3 ingredients, so it's perfect for making with kids or if you're just really short on time. So check you've got everything on the ingredients list, pause it if you need to, and then let's get cooking. So the first thing you'll need is to get yourself a baking dish or a baking tray lined with foil, and then you're just going to put your freshly washed fillets right in there. Now I like to keep the skin on because when it bakes it just goes really nice and crispy, but you can always get fillets without the skin. Next we're just going to add our soy sauce. Now here I'm using light soy sauce, but if you prefer a more intense savoury flavour, then dark is perfectly fine. You may just want to use a little bit less so that it's not too overpowering. Now the next ingredient, chili oil. Now this is the secret weapon that has the potential to knock everybody out if you're a bit too heavy-handed, because it definitely packs a punch in the spice department. So I've suggested using around 2 heaped teaspoons of chili oil, so 1 teaspoon per salmon fillet, because that gives a nice heat but doesn't burn your tongue off. And to soothe that even more, and to add a little bit of sweetness and a really nice sticky glaze when it bakes, you're just gonna drizzle some honey over the fillets, and then we're just gonna rub all of that in, and it really is as simple as that. 3 ingredients that make amazing salmon every single time. Now I like to take my time rubbing everything in, the biggest reason being I just find it really relaxing. But if seasoning fish is your worst nightmare, then it doesn't have to be a long process. Just you can use your fingers or even a little spoon and just make sure that every area is fully covered by some sort of seasoning. And that's it. Now, if like me, you can never find the lid to your Pyrex dish, just grab a piece of foil, chuck that on top, put it in the oven for 15 minutes or so, and then you will have the most tender, flaky fish that tastes fantastic, and that is absolutely guaranteed. There has not been a single person I've given this to who has not asked for the recipe straight away. So it's a winner for every dinner. Now, if you liked this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for more printable recipes, including this one, please check out my website at millsmakememories.com. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you for the next one.